talking about Brussels sprouts, which I know that you don't like, but I'm hoping these guys will love them. Whether you like it or not, Brussels sprouts are part of the winter narrative. Let's get you on their side. Here is a Brussels sprout salad. So you're going to start off with your Brussels sprouts, 250 grams, and you're just going to trim them and slice them in half. Whack them into a bowl with a good drizzle of oil and some salt and pepper for seasoning. And then these are going to go onto a baking dish and roast in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes until crisp and tender. We're then going to make a tahini dressing. So to a bowl, you want to add 6 tablespoons of water, 4 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, a crushed garlic clove, and a splash of maple syrup. This is down to personal taste. I probably add in about 1 tablespoon. It'll go from being very watery to very creamy. That little tahini dressing can go on many things, so stash that recipe. Save it for another one. You want to serve this whilst your Brussels is still nice and toasty from the oven, so pour them out onto a serving dish, drizzle with tahini dressing, and scatter with some festive cranberries. Oh, yum!